Hi, this is Lucinda, and this is a how-to video on adding hooks to your social media pages onto your WordPress website. Okay, everyone is very big into social media, it seems, at least to me. And if you are active in social media and you have a website, a web presence in WordPress, you very much should have them hook into one another. And I am going to show you how to create little social media icons that tie into your social media areas from your WordPress website. And we're going to learn some HTML, so get ready. Okay, so the first step is to find some icons. And I did a search on Facebook icon in Google, and this website came up, and I'm really liking how these look. And look, they've got kind of an icon set, so they're matching. I'm very much liking that. So what I did was I downloaded a bunch of pings, and I'm using a 24 pixel size. It's up to you how and where these would show up on your site, but I kind of like the nice clean small size of that. So click here, right click, save image as, and save it to wherever you're going. Okay, and you need one for each of the social media sites that you're linking to. Okay, the next step is, once you have them all looking good, is you upload them to WordPress, and the place where you do that is you go to Media, Add New, choose the file. Here's this Facebook icon. I actually have already gotten mine together, and I've done a little photoshopping. I added a little coloring so that they're kind of a matching set. It's a filter. But anyway, so let's say we're going to use that one. You choose the file, you upload it, and there it is. And for each of these icons, you need to collect the file URL. So I'm doing Control-C, I've got it selected. And then what I like to do is just work in a totally unintimidating little notepad, a text editor. Oops. There we go. Okay, so that is the ping. And you need to repeat that for each of the images that you upload to WordPress, so that you have your WordPress URL of each image, and it looks something like this: WP content / uploads blah 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 blah. Okay, so I'm going to trust that you have all the links to each of your icon images. Okay, and then the next step is to find the links to your social media presence. So for instance, here is my Facebook one, so I'm going to copy, and we'll do the page first, and then the icon second. And so for each of the social media things you're doing, you need a link to the actual page and the ping in your WordPress site. In Twitter, it's just twitter.com # and then your Twitter handle. In LinkedIn, you go in, and under public profile, there's this link here that you would edit, copy. YouTube, it is just /user / your name. And then if you're going to do an RSS feed, it's just the address of your website / feed. If you look that up, there are all kinds of different ways to prune down your feed to exactly what you're looking for. But basically, the end result should be, I've prepped this out here. I'll do a word wrap here. The link to the page followed by the image. Actually, like this for each of the ones you're doing. Okay, so then the next step to get from this to what you saw there is we are going to do some HTML from scratch. Okay, this is like baking biscuits from scratch. Okay, the first thing is href equals okay, and then what you want to do in between those quotes is to put the location of the social media site. Okay, so there's the Facebook link. Then you do image src, the source of the file, equals, okay, and then close caret. So exactly what I'm doing here. And then you take that and put that inside the quotes there. Okay, and then you just need to close a tag for each of them. Okay, so repeat this process for each of your social media social media sites, and then at the end you should have something that looks beautiful like this. I am choosing to insert 5. Okay, so now that we have the URLs and the images in a working HTML snippet, we are going to copy it and then go back into WordPress, into the dashboard, and it kind of depends on your site where you're going to paste this, but I would recommend inside a widget that appears on every page, and depending on how your theme is set up, you may have some sidebars here in use, and I am going to choose to put mine in my footer. That is okay. So here it is. I'll show you where it is in real life. Whoops. Down here, I want to put it before this contact information. So what we're going to do is boop, boop. Okay, there we go. So it says connect. So after connect, we are going to insert it. And I'm going to put it right here. Control V, okay, for paste. Okay, and let's save it, and then let's have a look and see if it worked. Fingers crossed. Oh, okay, well, they're in a line like that. I'm going to pause it. I kind of like them in a line, but I was really thinking of having them along a line rather than in a column. I'm going to think about my formatting and update it and get back to you. Okay, I'm back. I've decided that I want them along a row, and so what I did is I cut them out of this DT tag and put them into this DD tag. Go to an HTML reference book to find out. These are basically table tags, a special type of table tag, and I think this is how, yeah, that's what I was imagining. So I have all my little Facebook, all my links working. You need to test all of them. I have. So that concludes a how-to video on inserting links to your social media onto your WordPress website. I hope you found it useful. Bye-bye. For more how-to videos, go to www.schoolofwebcraft.com.